everybody. In this video, I will be showing you how to post a story with the music on the story. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. I will be providing the link of the Facebook in the description below so you guys can check it out. So what I have to do is to go to the story, and in the story, all I have to do is to post a picture. Let me give all the required permissions. And once I've done that, I just have to select the photo that I want to put on story. Here you will see a music option on the right side. Simply go ahead and select the music that you want to upload. So for the music, I'm gonna go select this music. And by doing that, what I have to do is to click on the share button, and that way the story will be posted on my Facebook profile. For that, this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.